Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Today we have a Google Pixel 9a with a cracked display and it looks amazing and such a shame that it's cracked. Let's go fix it. So right here, we are going to remove the display right away because that's how Google Pixels are assembled. When you try to replace a display, you don't go through the back glass or the back cover, you remove the display right away. But this Google Pixel 9a has not been opened before, so it's got a very tenacious and very sticky adhesive. So we'll have to slowly get our way around the perimeter of this glass. So as we do that, fortunately we are making more cracks on this glass panel, but nothing to worry about. We're not going to reuse this broken display. We are going to replace it with a brand new one. We're going to test it. If it still works and it's still showing us the charging icon and the battery percentage, it's 25 right now. So we'll slowly slice through the adhesive, making gaps on the corners, making sure we don't scratch the frame and the housing. See there, it's not really a good thing to use a cracked display. If you have a cracked display on your phone, then it might be dangerous to use on a daily basis because of the shards of glass. You might use it on bed before you go to sleep, and some shards of glass can fall into your eye. That can be a problem. You can slice through your fingers with sharp parts of the cracked display. That's not good also. And here we have lines already on the display, so it's gonna be bye-bye for this display. We have removed the retaining clip for the display and we are going to detach the connector. Then bye-bye to the old display. We'll clean up the housing. No damage incurred during the removal process, but they will prep the surfaces where we put our liquid adhesive. So we have here the corners. We're gonna clean up some residue from the old adhesive just to keep it clean, so when we install the new display, it's gonna sit flush over that frame. So this is our brand new display. We have the connector ready to go. It also got its own fingerprint scanner, so we don't have to transfer the fingerprint scanner into this one. There you go. And we'll test it. Still not fully adhered with the adhesive, but we can test it right now. It boots up. There you go. I think this is a custom ROM of Android, so some icons are loading. I'll give it a chance. There you go. It works. You're gonna see the cameras. Main and front are all working. It's a good sign. That means we can install this permanently. We'll check the fingerprint scanner first. Well, fingerprint sensor can't be used, so we'll have to shut this phone down and I think do a recovery for the smartphone. Power button and volume down button. If you're not really sure what you're doing, don't try this at home. It can break your smartphone. But David here will try to do some reset so we can use the fingerprint scanner. We do the boot up again. And now we can add our fingerprint. There you go. So we'll use the newly enrolled fingerprint to unlock the device later on. So this is just a testing We'll delete this fingerprint later when we give it back to the client. Amazing. It works. Let's try. Okay. Let's try again. There you go. Perfect. So we shut this phone down now and apply liquid adhesive around the back of the new display and install it permanently into the frame. And once done, we'll give it back to the client. So if you have a Google Pixel 9a that needs a new display, new battery, if you need some reset for your Google Pixel 9a, you want to factory reset it, just go to Sydney CBD Repair Centre and David will sort you out. Professional repairs for reasonable prices. So if you want to support your local repair center, you can also visit us or visit your own local repair service centers. You don't have to buy a brand new phone every time you break the screen. You just have to replace the broken screen. So you save money, you save the environment, and you retain your data. It's a win-win-win. So we have now the display installed. We'll let it dry. We'll clean up the display. And once done, we're going to give it back to the client. Hopefully, it's not gonna come back to us soon with another broken display. It's gonna be... This is the before and after. There you go. See the difference. It looks brand new right away. So thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment. Leave a like. Till next time, cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.